Hello, friends. I hope all of you are fine. First of all, I have to say sorry because I wasn't active for a long time because of my job and a lot of other stuff. So I have seen a lot of my friends commented on my different videos about how to earn money from internet. So I have decided to show you the real earning, the real method that excuse me, that I'm using to earn good amount of money from internet. Actually, all the ways I'm gonna show you, it's like a passive income. So you don't have to work regularly. So just stick with us. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you one by one from my browser view. The first of all, I like the most. It is the good and easiest way to earn money. That is the by buying some domain name. It's called domain investing. All you have to do, you have to find some good keyword domain name. Maybe that is trendy or combination of some good keyword. So I'm using different website like dan.com, aptonic.com, sedo.com and a lot of others. So all I do I just register some domain name, maybe for $8 or $10. It's very. Then I put it on my inventory for few months, even few years. Then I find my real buyer. Then I sell it to more than 100 times sometimes. So like you buy a domain name $8 and you sell it to even $1,000, even more. So this is in this video I'm gonna show you the ways I earn money. So I'm not gonna make it lengthy. If you want to know more how to earn money from domain investing, you can find a lot of videos on my channel. So this is the first way. The second way I used to earn money, that is domain parking. It's kind of similar, but you have to understand it. Domain investing is like buying a domain name and sell it for a few months later for a good amount of money. But domain parking is something like you don't have to make any website for that. All you have to do, you have to contact with domain parking website. There are huge domain parking website. Like I like the most one is boris.com, and there is another one is bodo.com, parking crew, sedo, and a lot of. So you have to go to their website and you have to add your domain name, and they will give you a name server. You just have to add this name server to your domain history, and ad will automatically show. You don't need any hosting for that. So this is the way you can see I'm earning a good amount of money from domain parking. The next way I earn money is YouTube video. You can see this is my channel, and I got a lot of other channel, all are monetized. So this is the technical channel, and you can make a tutorials, and if you're good at making graphics design, you can show it. Or you are good at, like suppose you're a doctor, you can give some tips to patient or other thing. The thing you like, you have to make videos on that topic, and you can upload on YouTube. You don't need any money to upload video. Remember that it's very easy and it's totally free. So all you have to do upload videos on YouTube. This is the way I earn money. The next one is making a blog site. You have to write down article. You can do it by at your own, or you can hire someone from different platform like Fiverr or different freelancer platform. They will write article for you, and all you have to do, you have to maintain this blog. You have to upload this article on your blog, and then you will put some ad from AdSense or other ad provider. You can see this is my blog. If people read my article, you can see now it's showing some ad. So if people read my article, they will show my ad, then I get money. This is the way. So it's very easy way. You can see I'm not active here because of my job, but I'm good. I'm earning good amount of money. So this is the way you can earn money by writing article on your blog. The next one is Fiverr.com. You can see this is my Fiverr profile. Actually, I was labeled to seller, but I wasn't active for a few months. I cancel a lot of order. That's why um, um, they put me on level 1. So on Fiverr.com, there's huge ways to earn money. If you are a graphic designer, if you are a voiceover artist, if you're a translator, or you can use different kind of ways like digital marketing, SEO, uh, web designer, lot of ways. So on Fiverr.com, I earn money in different ways, like making voiceover. For making voiceover, you don't need a lot of things. All you have to do, you have to buy a microphone and a simple computer. Just record your voice that will provided by your client. You have to read out and you have to record it and edit it and deliver it. It's very easy. The next one is translating. Translating is the most easy one. They will provide to, suppose English script, you have to script in on Bengali, Hindi, French, or other language. It's very easy. So on Fiverr.com, you can earn money by showing your skill. It's very easy. The next one I earn money is selling different cryptocurrency or different currencies. Like you have to buy some digital cryptocurrency like Payoneer, like PayPal from different person from different Facebook group, and you can hold it and you can sell it. Or you can invest in cryptocurrency, like about Bitcoin. It's increasing day by day its price. So this is the way. And there is other way. You can see I got a lot of payment from Fiverr, and you can see on Amazon Kindle. You can upload your keybook on Amazon Kindle. They will provide you good amount of money. So the next one is by using your referrals. Suppose you are famous on blog or you are famous on YouTube, so people will come to see your videos, and you can put a link there like, hey, you can go to that website. You can earn some money by simple captcha entry or easiest way or survey. So I actually don't work here in this website. This is called Clothy Bablo. I just gave my referral links on my videos or blog. People click on my links and they come here to earn money, and simple, I earn money. It's very easy. You can see my different payouts. So this is the way. If you are famous, you can upload good videos, good contents on your blog, then you can earn this way. The next thing is, actually it's called, this is the platform name is Shutterstock. All you have to do, if you're a photographer, you don't need to be that much advanced level photographer for that. You can just click on random videos or photography, then you have to upload it here on Shutterstock, and people will buy your photographies. Then you can earn good amount of money. Actually, this is the way I'm earning right now. And previously, I have used a lot of ways like CP marketing and other stuff. So I can't remember right now. So I will put it on my comment box. So this is the way you can earn money. The thing is blog, YouTube videos, photographies, like selling different cryptocurrencies, different product on Fiverr.com by making voiceover, domain investing, and all other stuff. The thing is, if you have a skill, if you are in this area, if you know how to earn money, if you try to do that, you will find a lot of ways. So you have to stick on it. So don't give up. Try on. I hope you'll be successful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck. Take care.